Hi, I'm Mrs. English Harris, and I work at Diet High School. And this video is part of an online learning initiative by Chicago Arts Partnership in Education. Okay, and what we're going to do today is we're going to do a little bit of trig homework. This is our second problem that we needed help with. So remember when we're verifying identities, you're only going to work on one side of the problem. This is our problem that we have written down, and we're only going to work on this side. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this first part of the problem, cosecant. That's our orange buddy right here. Let's bring it down. And we're going to look at some equivalent trig identities. Okay, so the equivalent trig identity for cosecant, what it's equivalent to is, cosecant is equivalent to 1 over sine x. Here we go. It's right here. Goes with that little bubble right there. Okay. Now we're going to replace the cosecant x with 1 over sine x in our problem. So let's do that. So we're replacing that. That's 1 over sine x. Now let's look at this little tangent. Oh, I forgot my plus sign. Oh, no, I didn't need my plus sign. It's multiplication. That's right. My tangent x. All right. Let's bring that buddy down over here. And then we're going to look at this trig identity here and find what's equivalent to our tangent. So what's equivalent to our tangent x is equivalent to sine x over cosine x. Now our little purple cloud here, we're going to replace the tangent x with sine over cosine x. So let's do this down at the bottom. Oops. Put that C back. There we go. Now let's bring down the rest of our problem. Equals secant x. So now what we did is we replaced both of these. Here we go. There we go, that one and that one. And that's what we did down here. So now when we multiply these two quantities together down at the bottom, so we have multiplication. We have sine x at the top and sine x at the bottom. Oh, wow. Any value divided by itself equals 1. So we can cancel those two out. Okay, I'm going to move to a new sheet here and cancel those out. So we are left with, let me write down the rest of the problem again. 1 over sine x times sine x over cosine x and equals secant x. Okay, so we cancel these out, remember? Multiply the top, multiply the bottom, we multiply fractions. 1 times 1 will give you 1. 1 times cosine will give you cosine at the bottom. All right. Now, we have another little trig identity we're dealing with here. This right here. We know from our trig identity that 1 over cosine x is equivalent to secant x. So, let me put my little green bubble around here. So we're going to replace So we're going to replace 1 over secant x with secant. There you go. So now on this side we have secant x is equivalent to secant x. Awesome. So now we solved that problem. That's great. All done. Smiley face. So thanks for watching, and check out capechicago.org for more videos from teachers and teaching artists all across Chicago. So that is capechicago.org. And you can check out all the great videos that you can see from teachers all over the city. Thanks. See you next time.